13 ounces. It's less than 1 pound, and also the total weight of the 9000 series reusable full-face respirator. Ultra lightweight and with 3 sizes available, it's the ideal blend of comfort, convenience, and protection with the lowest maintenance. It's just plain easy to wear. Completely metal-free and built with an extra-wide viewing lens that meets ANSI Z87 Plus for high-impact requirements, the 9000 is the cream of the crop for anyone who needs all-day comfort from their industrial full-face respirator. It pairs with Moldex's P100 filters and cartridges for enhanced breathability, and its streamlined design, featuring an overmolded flange, harness tabs, plus integrated exhalation assembly, makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze, with only 9 parts compared to others with up to 24. Industrial workers deserve quality, comfort, and protection that makes the shift go smoother. Get it all from the 9000 series, only from Moldex. To learn more about our respirators and all of the other PPE that we have to offer, visit moldex.com. Moldex. Ideas that wear well.